Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at a monitor that redefines what ultra-wide really means. If you're a gamer, content creator, or productivity power user, this is a display you'll want to see. Let's dive into the INNOCN 49 curved ultra-wide monitor, Model 49C1R, a jaw-dropping 32:9 super ultra-wide screen that replaces dual monitors with one seamless display. This monitor features a massive 49-inch curved display with a 5120x1440p QHD resolution, which is essentially two 27-inch QHD monitors fused into one. The R1800 curvature wraps around your vision for immersive gameplay, deep focus, and an incredibly wide field of view, perfect for racing games, flight sims, multitasking, or video editing timelines. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, it's ready for serious gaming, smooth, fluid, and immersive. Whether you're running ultra-wide screen supported games or switching between multiple windows and apps, you'll love how responsive and snappy this display feels. Add to that HDR400 certification and 99% sRGB color accuracy, and you're looking at not just a gaming powerhouse but a color-accurate panel that works beautifully for photo and video editors as well. Connectivity is modern and generous. You get USB Type-C, HDMI, and DisplayPort, making it easy to connect gaming rigs, laptops, and consoles. Plus, it has built-in speakers, so you can run a minimalist setup without needing external audio gear. The height and tilt adjustable stand is sturdy and ergonomic, giving you flexibility to find your ideal viewing angle whether you're sitting, standing, or switching between tasks. The minimalist design is sleek, with slim bezels that keep the focus where it belongs on that gorgeous panoramic display. If you're currently running a dual monitor setup, this 49-inch super ultra-wide monitor simplifies your desk, removes bezels between screens, and delivers one cohesive, uninterrupted workflow or gaming experience. Whether you're trading, designing, gaming, or just watching widescreen content, the INNOCN 49C1R is a stunning, high-performing display that's hard to beat at this price. Check the link in the description to learn more, and if you want more epic displays, gaming gear, and tech reviews, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and ring that bell so you never miss a drop. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.